Hey, Dan the Rockman, and come join me on my road trip to Southwest Texas. I visit rock shops in Balmorhea, Texas and Marfa, Texas. We get to visit a man that has a collection of about 500 agates, all from Southwest Texas, from the Carver Field. The first stop on our road trip is going to be Balmorhea, Texas. And Balmorhea, Texas is known for its Balmorhea blue agate. And let's check out the rock shop, see a couple things that you can purchase there. Hey, we're back on the road again. I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit of the landscape as we head out of Balmorhea and we are headed into the Davis Mountains and on down into Alpine, Texas. And that beautiful desert country. And I just want you guys to see this and enjoy it. We're going to be staying in a camp area in Mitre Peak, which is just outside of Alpine. And here we are in the park, and this is some night photography that I did. It's really dark out there, so you can see a lot of stars. This was the first night the moon was kind of out. That's the moon. And then as the morning came, we climbed up on the mountain and got to see sunrise coming. That is just beautiful also. And that as it shines, we climbed up onto the mountains. And that here's a road going into the park, and there's Mitre Peak. On Saturday we went out to an undisclosed location, and we met a gentleman that is collecting agates from a undisclosed location, the Carver Field. And he's got a collection of about 500 agates, and he's got them cut, polished, categorized, and these things are just gorgeous. I mean, every shape, color, pattern that you could think of, he's got, and it all is coming from Southwest Texas, from this one field. And he just does a beautiful job displaying them. Personal kind of collection that he has. He does have some cabochons and some bracelets that he does silversmithing, and you can go ahead and purchase the bracelets, I believe, on his website. And that, so it's pretty beautiful. It was a great opportunity that we did, as you can see in these pictures of the different rocks we got to view. We spent about 2 hours almost out there with them, talking, discovering, reminiscing. It is a great time. So I'm hoping that you're enjoying this and watching and seeing this. I hope it inspires you. I know it inspired me, because I was like, I'm always the type of person that is like, oh, I want the biggest rock I can find, I want to get out. I remember years and years ago going to the Woodruff Ranch, and I was like, I want big things. I don't want little things. But I mean, he's got some of the most beautiful small agates that he has cut and polished up. So there's some pictures of the bracelets that he has for sale, and all the agates come from this field also. So enjoy. On Sunday, I went ahead and drove on into Marfa, Texas. It's about 40 miles or so northwest of Alpine. There's a picture of the courthouse, old church right there. And then as you go on further around that corner, you're going to see the jailhouse. That's not it, but there's the jailhouse right there, old jailhouse. Here's some rock that I bought at Moonlight Gemstones. I got tiger's eye, some agate right there, and then there's some Balmorhea Agate. I love the patterns in the rock. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and please share. I also have links to different products that you can buy through Amazon. I get a small commission if you buy something. So if you're needing some lapidary equipment, and take a look at Amazon and pull that through some of my links there, or camera equipment and that. So thank you again for watching, and I appreciate, and please subscribe and like. Thank you.